In the introduction, Al-Isra was established on 25th September 2006 by 3 unit managers, Tuan Haji Rosli Yaakob from Kota Baru Office, Tuan Haji Muhammad Fazli bin Makna, and Tuan Haji Othman bin Shaharum from Damansara Intan Office. The vision of Al-Isra Associates is the preferred professional advisors providing world-class Islamic financial services in Asia, while their mission is to possess 2,000 agents and 100 managers in Malaysia. And Al-Isra is a company that conducts insurance business, and it was promoted as a brand in the field business. Al-Isra first operating office was located at level 17, Block A of Damansara Intan E-Business Park, Section 17 of Petaling Jaya, and the first branch located at tingkat 1 of the Kota Baru Prudential Office. They have 8 branches in Malaysia as for now. Selangor, Kuala Lumpur, Johor, Melaka, Terengganu, Kelantan, Perak, Pulau Pinang, and Negeri Sembilan.
There are 4 marketings that Al-Isra Associates do. Firstly, corporate uniform. This is because at the corporate uniform there is a logo, company name, and also the name of the wearer of the uniform. Al-Isra Associates will describe the wearing of this corporate uniform every Monday. Secondly, signboard. Al-Isra Associates put a signboard outside the office entrance, and also on the 6th floor is placed a large signboard that fills one wall with the Al-Isra logo. Thirdly, promotional counters. They do promotional counters at shopping complex, the city of Pasir Gudang, and government counter. They do this when school holidays, Christmas Day, and the beginning of year. Lastly, social media. This marketing is done by individuals or agents from this company. Al-Isra Associates has a Facebook account, which is Al-Isra Associates, and also an official website.
My name is Noridina Bintu Masri, and my metric number is A1A05888. I will present you about the operational plan of the Al-Isra Associate. The first one, we have director or founder, which is Haji Muhammad Fadil bin Maknoor and Haji Othman bin Shaharum. The responsibility of the director of Al-Isra is to manage the board of director and to create a mission and vision of the company. Second one is board of director. In Al-Isra, they have 6 people in board of director. The responsibility of board of director in Al-Isra is to help in create the strategic plan, and the second one is manage and protecting the organization. For agency manager, there is 70 pupils in agency manager at Al-Isra Associate. The responsibility of agency manager is to analyze performance and drawing up the organization. The one requiring screening and training the new agents. As the manager at Al-Isra was responsible to give a motivate to the staff. For the aspiring unit manager, responsible is to build strong relationship with the customer. Last one, we have agents. The agent responsible in evaluate business or individual clients' needs, and the second one, they need to familiar with what the insurance type of company was provided. Next, in operational plan of Al-Isra, they have the process. There are 4 types of process. The first one is get the client personal data. The second one is describe the type of insurance plans. Number 3, describe the benefit and advantage when the client take the insurance with Al-Isra Associate. And the last one, the client can fill out the form using the manually or online by the website.
There are 4 challenges that faced by Al-Isra Associates. Firstly, decrease in sales company. This happened when COVID-19, especially in March, which is during the 3 months MCO, they cannot doing face-to-face promotions in public places. Secondly, emotions of the employee are affected because of business that is run is considered as a rejected business. Just hearing about insurance, people do not want to hear it. Thirdly, competitors. Nowadays, there are a lot of insurance companies such as Alliance Insurance, Malaysia Berhad, Hong Leong Assurance, Maybank Life Assurance, and many more. Lastly, had to convince people this happened when COVID-19 because they must do all the things online. People will not believe it and they will think that it is a scam.
I will present you about the solution of the issue that Al Isra associate. To solving the problem is during the pandemic COVID-19 challenge for the Al Isra associate face. To solving this problem, Al Isra can take the initiative to doing online meeting with their client. For example, they can using the Google Meet or Zoom to discuss about the insurance with their clients. The second one, for the solution of employee emotional. As we know, as the insurance agents was not easy to find out the clients because all the people not interested with the insurance. To solving this problem, all this employee and staff of Al Isra Associates doing the supporting and motivation each other. It was to give more supporting for their agents that going down to grow to move on with this challenge. Lastly, for the challenge of the competitors, as we know in the business we will have many competitors. To solving this problem, Al Isra need to take an initiative to know how their competitors doing the strategy in the insurance plans and increase the public confidence to take the insurance with Al Isra by doing the improvement in the insurance, like improve the types of the insurance in Al Isra. At the same time, they can fully to give what the client needs in the insurance service.
Good morning. My name is Shamni Ramesh and my metric number is A1 in A0810. Analyzing organizational readiness to internationalize. The readiness for internationalization is straightforwardly connected to associations' achievement of global. The Al-Isra qualities are viewpoints for an example, the company's objective and the service offering. Besides, the set of experience of Al-Isra tends to the past homegrown experience of the firm.
Prudential already offer for a good product to the foreign market. So, as an agent in the agency, they are the one who should more aggressive to find their potential prospect, such as a student who is going to overseas, and then a potential people who were living overseas. So whenever anything happen to them, they are being covered. So the most important is how we want to make a product that can be used internationally. So when someone purchase a takaful to be covered themselves in Malaysia, so they can be used the insurance cover international. That is a market that can be used to everyone and everywhere. Anything happen, we doesn't know. There'll be any risk at anywhere at any time. So it is very good for a product or service that can be provided internationally. So it been no problem to be used anywhere.
Today, I have identified 3 countries that could be an attractive target market to Al Isra, which are Brunei, Indonesia, and Thailand. It's because their target market in these 3 countries because of the target market. The Al Isra target market focus on people who still doesn't know the existence of the company, and while we choose the 3 countries because based on their population. The population for these three countries are high. As for Brunei, it's about 450 million. Indonesia average about 237 million, while Thailand is about 99.79 million. The general takaful business constitutes only a smaller segment of the total insurance business in Malaysia, resulting 8.2% in 2008 of the combined gross contributions of the insurance industry. And the financial performance depends on the profit or interest rate level, equity returns, and company size. In the interest rate, it produces greater returns on the investment assets, where it rocket the total company's return, which provided the returns that are not counteracted lower underwriting gains. The second one is equity returns, that a higher proportion of investment equities could lead to a higher risk of insolvency. That if the value of the assets drop, the investment equity portfolio also contribute to the flow of the individual income to the takaful and insurance company. The last one is large company corporate size, where authorized insurer to beneficially permit them to presume risk and acknowledge more quickly to change in the market circumstances.
A product by a Prudential is a very good product. So, the agent in the agency should be work on to spread the awareness to the people out there. So, they need to be reach a lot of people to spread the awareness so that people will bear in mind, oh, this kind of product is very good for a protection of myself and my family. So, how we want to market the things for our potential customer to be known about the existing of the product or service. Agent work in a marketing sector, so they need to promote every day and everything that they know about a product or service and what kind of a service they can provide to their customer. And then for a product that is a very good product, but they're least known by a potential customer. So what they need to do is to do more and a lot of marketing, which is for the agency they use agent. So the agent itself themselves need to spread about the product, tell people what is the goodness of the product. So when there is a lot of people known about the product, then they are willingly to purchase. Doesn't use a good product to be promoted to others, how it can be a beneficial to other people who are potentially need to be covered with the product. How an agent need to know to identify which is a potential market that can be that they can approach. Okay, for example, a person who are very qualified in their job, okay, such as people who have a high risk for accident. Their job require something safety more than the others. So that is the class of a risk. So that kind of people is a potential. They are a target market that the agent need to be reached out for them. For example, a person who work for a construction, okay, such as engineer, a safety, a labor. So they are the crucial, they are the important person who need to be reached out because they work at a high risk. Anything can be happen and will damage their ability to work, which is once they are involved in an accident, they might be dead or disabled to do anything or work again. So these kind of people need to be protected by the takaful. So the agent need to be reached out this kind of people more, and the awareness need to be spread vigorously because these kind of people are very busy with their work. So you as an agent need to find a time how to approach them and then spread the awareness and the important things that they need to know and they need to purchase to protect themselves. In order to protect themselves, they are protecting their family also. So wherever anything happen to them, okay, their family are protected by insurance. So the money will be go to them to survive a new life. Be cooperate with a government or non-government parties will help an agency or a company to be well known by the others. Some people might doesn't know about the presence of the company or the agency. So by being a sponsorship, more people will be known. This company and agency will be exist. So the branding of our company or agency will be being known. So what they are need to know about the company, they will eager to find something or a product or service that we provide. So from that is how we want to reach a lot of people out there. For example, being a corporate with a non-government agency, we can help people need to solve their problem or find a way to be helped. For a person which is not being disabled to work, so how they need to solve the problem. With this kind of product and service, we can help people who in need. So we will be a problem solver for a problem that cannot be solved by themselves. We are the one who are need, who are help them to give them a solution. And lastly, how we want to know an agent in the agency spread right things to the others people out there. So by the agency itself, they are the one who are monitor everything and make sure everything will be correct and a good statement to be spread to others. That is how they can control and be a quality agent who will speak to the other people about the good things and the goodness for beneficial for the others people.
The next is estimate company sales potential for each target market. Sales potential is the assessed piece of the overall industry that organization hopes to catch in a market in a specified time frame. To entering the market, the Al Isra estimate company sales potential is 100 million for years 2020. 70% of Islamic native are already have policy in Al Isra company. Moreover, it helps in proper planning to achieve required target, and it gives a good driving start to the business in terms of decision making. Thank you.
In conclusion, Al Isra Associate is a company launched in Kuala Lumpur, Wilayah Persekutuan Malaysia, and the name Al Isra was selected based on the Isra Miraj Day, where the company conduct insurance business according to Islamic jurisprudence and principle. Al Isra's target market is Malaysia citizen, and in the future may enter the global market, inshallah. Thank you.